Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Tenda RX27 Pro. A budget-friendly Wi-Fi 6E router that promises to upgrade your home network without breaking the bank. Let's see if this router lives up to its claims. The Tenda RX27 Pro is marketed as one of the more affordable options for setting up a Wi-Fi 6E network. It's designed with simplicity and cost-effectiveness in mind, which shows in its basic, no-frills design. Made mostly of black plastic, it may not win any awards for aesthetics, but it gets the job done. Starting with its design, the RX27 Pro is compact, measuring 10.3 by 7.5 by 2.6 inches. It's noticeably smaller than many other Wi-Fi 6E routers on the market. The build quality is decent, albeit with some compromises such as hard plastic feet that could scratch surfaces. It does come with mounting options for wall installation. Under the hood, the RX27 Pro packs a Broadcom 6756 Wi-Fi chip and a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor. Along with 256 MB of RAM and 128 MB of flash storage. This configuration allows it to handle up to 200 devices simultaneously, which is impressive for its price range. Setting up the RX27 Pro was relatively straightforward, taking around 15 minutes via the Tenda app on my Android device. It guides you through the process of connecting and configuring the router. Although I did encounter a delay with the verification email during setup. Now, let's talk performance. Using the Keysight X Chariot benchmark, the RX27 Pro demonstrated solid mid-range performance. At closer distances, it achieved speeds comparable to higher-priced routers. Delivering reliable throughput suitable for everyday use like streaming 4K video and online gaming. Wrapping up, the Tenda RX27 Pro presents a compelling option for those looking to upgrade to Wi-Fi 6E without spending a fortune. Despite its minimalistic design and lack of some high-end features, it performs admirably in typical home network scenarios. If you're on a budget and need reliable Wi-Fi performance, this router could be a solid choice. Thanks for tuning in to today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you next time.